Tshemba Foundation specifically recruits doctors, medical professionals to work in the Intenswala Hospital and surrounding clinics in Hoedspruit, Mpumalanga, Limpopo areas. What we found was that there were plenty of structures, hospitals, clinics, some of them well equipped, some of them not very well equipped, but what was really missing was doctors. So, for example, Intenswala Hospital has 450 beds and only 6 full-time doctors. So we saw that what is really required is specialist care, doctors to come assist the nurses and assist the patients. Our main aim is to improve healthcare in under-resourced communities. We came to Africa Health because we knew that there were going to be a lot of doctors and medical professionals attending the conference, and that's a perfect platform for us to attract them, to recruit them, to tell them, showcase what Tshemba's about, and for them to know how they can apply to be one of our volunteers. What we do is we provide free accommodation in a beautiful 5-star lodge set deep in the bush, in the African bush, so they have a wonderful bush experience, and in return they volunteer and they give back. So our payoff line is changing lives, including your own, and that's really what we do.